Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, January 13th, 2016. You can see temperatures near normal this morning, around 10 to 13 degrees. And we got some snow showers that's going to be moving into the area thanks to some southwest winds that'll help bring some lake effect into the inland areas. That combined with a low pressure system that'll be moving through the state. It's a weak one, but it will be enough to generate some extra lift. And I think all areas will see a good chance of snow showers today and into tonight. And you can see that where there's winter weather advisories for about 3 to 6 inches of snow, especially west of 131. And again, with that southwest wind, I do expect the heaviest snowfall within the MAC area outside of Newaygo to be across areas like Henderson, Middleton, and Breckenridge, where maybe an inch or so of snow could fall. So not a big system, but combined with some breezy conditions, we'll have some more blowing snow, but I don't think quite as bad as yesterday. And you can see yesterday, just outside of Breckenridge here, quite a bit of wind blowing the snow and drifting the snow around quite a bit. And if we look at the lake effect, you can see right now not a whole lot out there. But again, as the morning and the afternoon progress, we're going to rapidly see that increase. You can already see if some returns coming in from Iowa. And again, that should arrive here later today for much of the area. And you can see those southwest winds. Again, that'll bring that longer fetch of water, that moisture over that water, and that'll give us, again, more penetrating snow showers a little bit further inland than normal, again, but not a lot of snow. If we look at the weather map for this morning, you can see low pressure system off to the north. We got a area of warmer air that's going to try to press this way over the next couple of days. It won't succeed until we really get into Friday, but with that warmer air coming over top of the colder air, we're going to have some overrunning precipitation in the form of snow, and you can see by tomorrow morning a widespread area of light snow is expected across the region. And we're going to watch some energy here coming into the west. These two low pressure systems are going to merge over southern Wisconsin, draw up this moisture from the Gulf. Again, we don't see a lot of quantitative precipitation with this system as it looks right now, but certainly we're going to see rain on Friday. Before that happens, we could see a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain Thursday night, changes over to rain Friday, and then back to a mix, and into Saturday morning over to snow. Not a whole bunch of precipitation with this. Again, minor accumulations. So this doesn't look to be a big system, but what we will see is that low pressure system merges over Wisconsin. It'll move right across the lower peninsula. And again, behind this, with an Arctic high building in, we're going to see the coldest air of the year. And with a very deep upper low setting across the Great Lakes here Sunday to Tuesday, we can expect a wide area of very heavy lake effect. I think areas along Lake Michigan could see upwards of a foot of snow between Sunday and Wednesday. And I think even inland areas have a chance of at least a couple or several inches of snow during that period. And it could be quite windy. And as we get into Monday and Tuesday morning, if we see our skies clear at all and our winds go a little bit calm, which I think we will on either Tuesday morning, we could certainly see some temperatures dropping below zero. Again, this should be the coldest air mass of the year so far. But then we see temperatures possibly moderating later next week. If we look at the WPC's forecast for snow here over the next 72 hours, you can see heaviest along the lakeshore, and I think it'll be maybe even a little heavier than this, but not much more. And then some inland areas could see an inch or two of snow as well. Heavy snows across the UP. And if we look at for Saturday, it could be a very interesting day in Foxborough, where the New England Patriots and the Kansas City Chiefs are going to square off on Saturday afternoon. We've got a major storm just sitting off coast, and it could be fun to watch that game. I would expect either very heavy rain or very heavy snow in Foxborough. So again, this will be an interesting game to watch. And then you can see much colder, very cold air with troughs pinwheeling around that big upper low, giving us occasional enhanced snow showers. And how are we doing this year so far for snow? We've picked up 11.2 inches of snow. Normal for the whole season is 40 inches. So we're at 28% of the normal yearly snowfall. But so we're well behind. You can see in December, we were only about a third of what we should see, and we got a long ways to go to catch up here for January as well. Not sure we'll see that. Right now, we expect February to be the harshest month of the winter this year. And so it looks like a pretty snowy pattern coming up, followed by some moderating temperatures when we could see temperatures in the 30s and to near 40 by Friday. And then we'll cool down later Saturday, and very cold air, the coldest air of the year on the way for Sunday into Tuesday. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.